Do you ever find yourself feeling sluggish, tired, or low on energy, even though you're trying to eat healthy? It's common to feel drained during the day, but did you know that the foods you choose can have a big impact on your energy levels? Many people rely on sugary snacks, coffee, or energy drinks to get through the day, but these quick fixes often lead to crashes later on. Instead, what if you could boost your energy naturally by making small but effective changes to your diet? In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 nutrition tips that boost energy naturally. These tips are simple yet powerful ways to nourish your body and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Let's dive in. 1. Balance your meals with all food groups. To fuel your body properly, it's important to eat meals that provide a variety of nutrients. Think of your plate as a colorful palette that includes a mix of complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fruits and vegetables. When you include these food groups, you're ensuring your body gets the right balance of nutrients it needs for sustained energy. Complex carbohydrates like whole grains, beans, and sweet potatoes are digested slowly, providing long-lasting fuel. These slow-releasing carbs prevent the energy spikes and crashes that come from refined sugars. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes help maintain your energy levels by keeping you fuller longer and stabilizing your blood sugar. Healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts, are not only great for your brain but also provide a steady source of energy. When you add colorful fruits and vegetables, you're packing your meals with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support your metabolism and overall health. This balanced approach prevents the energy slumps that often occur when you focus too much on one food group, like sugary snacks or refined carbs. By combining all these food groups, you'll provide your body with steady, consistent energy that lasts throughout the day. Eating in this way also helps your body use food more efficiently, giving you the power to stay alert and active, no matter how busy your day gets. 2. Choose complex carbs instead of simple sugars. When it comes to carbohydrates, not all carbs are created equal. It's essential to be mindful of which ones you choose to fuel your body with throughout the day. Simple sugars, found in foods like candy, soda, and white bread, may offer a quick burst of energy, but this energy is short-lived. After your blood sugar spikes, it often crashes, leaving you feeling sluggish, fatigued, and craving more sugar. This cycle can be exhausting and frustrating, as it leads to energy dips that can hinder your productivity and mood. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates such as oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, and whole grain bread are a much better choice. These carbs are rich in fiber, which slows down digestion and helps your body release glucose at a steady rate. This results in sustained energy, avoiding the sudden crashes that come from simple sugars. In addition to providing long-lasting energy, complex carbs also help to keep you feeling full for longer periods, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy options between meals. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal, topped with nuts and fresh fruit, provides your body with an excellent source of energy that lasts. Oats are packed with fiber and can help stabilize your blood sugar, keeping you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. You can also incorporate other whole grains like quinoa or brown rice into your lunch or dinner to maintain energy levels, especially if you have a busy day ahead or a workout scheduled. Choosing these slower digesting carbs ensures that your body is continuously fueled with the right nutrients for focus and mental clarity, while also helping to maintain physical energy. Instead of relying on quick fixes like sugary snacks, complex carbs give your body the support it needs to keep going strong without the dips. 3. Don't skip protein, it supports steady energy. Protein is often associated with building muscle, but it plays an equally important role in maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. When you eat protein, it helps regulate your blood sugar by slowing down the digestion process. This prevents the sudden drops in blood sugar that can make you feel sluggish and tired. Adding lean protein sources to your meals like chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, or legumes helps stabilize your energy levels and keeps you feeling full longer. For instance, starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast, such as scrambled eggs or a protein smoothie, ensures that you're not only fueling your muscles but also stabilizing your blood sugar for sustained energy. You can also include protein-rich snacks throughout the day, like almonds or a handful of Greek yogurt with fruit, to keep your energy up between meals. Protein is also essential for repairing tissues and cells, making it a crucial nutrient for overall health. It supports muscle recovery, boosts your metabolism, and even improves mood and cognitive function. By incorporating protein into every meal, you can prevent energy crashes and maintain focus, even during the most demanding parts of your day. So, whether you're having a meal or a snack, make sure it includes a healthy source of protein to keep you energized and alert. 4. Hydrate smartly and include nutrient-dense foods. One of the easiest ways to boost your energy and improve your overall health is by staying hydrated. Water is essential for almost every function in your body, from digestion to nutrient absorption and maintaining body temperature. Even mild dehydration can make you feel sluggish, so it's important to drink enough water throughout the day. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water per day, and remember that hydration doesn't just come from water. Herbal teas or water infused with fruits like lemon or cucumber can add flavor and variety while keeping you hydrated. But hydration isn't just about drinking more fluids, it's also about choosing the right fluids. It's easy to reach for sugary drinks like sodas or energy drinks, but these are often full of added sugars that give you a temporary energy boost followed by a crash. Instead, opt for water, herbal teas, or naturally flavored water to keep your body hydrated and energized without spiking your blood sugar. In addition to staying hydrated, it's also crucial to limit your intake of sugar and salt. High sugar intake can cause your blood sugar to spike and then crash, leaving you tired and craving more sugar. Excess salt can cause water retention and bloating, making you feel sluggish and uncomfortable. Try seasoning your meals with herbs and spices instead of reaching for the salt shaker. Reducing your sugar and salt intake, while staying properly hydrated, helps maintain your energy levels and supports overall health. 5. Eat small meals and snacks every few hours. One of the most effective ways to maintain steady energy throughout the day is by eating smaller meals and snacks every 3 to 4 hours. Going too long without food can cause your blood sugar to dip, leading to feelings of fatigue, irritability, and those overwhelming sugar cravings. The key to avoiding these dips is ensuring your body always has a supply of energy to draw from. By eating more frequently, you keep your metabolism active and support your body's ability to use energy efficiently. Rather than sticking to the traditional 3 large meals a day, consider splitting your meals into smaller, more frequent ones. For instance, a mid-morning snack of fruit paired with nuts can provide a quick energy boost and stave off hunger. Follow that with a balanced lunch consisting of lean protein, vegetables, and whole grains, which will keep you fueled throughout the afternoon. In the late afternoon, a light snack, such as yogurt or veggie sticks with hummus, can prevent the dreaded energy crash and help you stay focused until dinner. This approach not only helps prevent low blood sugar, but it also keeps your appetite in check, preventing you from overeating during meals. By eating smaller, balanced meals and snacks throughout the day, you're ensuring that your body has a steady supply of nutrients to support energy production. The result is increased focus, improved mood, and the energy to take on anything that comes your way. And there you have it, 5 simple, nutrition-based tips that will help you feel energized and ready to take on the day. By focusing on balanced meals, complex carbs, lean protein, proper hydration, and regular meals, you'll provide your body with the sustained energy it needs to stay sharp and active. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more tips on how to live your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.